Hi, one of my students asked me how to improve this character sketching skills more faster. Even though he is attending my weekly classes, weekly 2 hours, and same time he also is taking my daily sketching challenge. Still, the student want to improve on his character sketching skill more faster. What I did, I given exactly this learn to sketch free ebooks to him. I told him to practice this whatever fundamental things and the exercise is there in this sheet, in this PDF. Practice at least per month 2 to 3 times. The more the student practice on these fundamental areas along with regular classes and regular activities, this speed will increase. How? Because the person will spend more time on these fundamental skills, he will get to know all the core areas. So is basically understanding skills will become a next level. Once understanding skills become a next level in this sketching, automatically he will reduce his mistakes and he will go with more confidently to draw anything because he know the fundamentals. Correct? So through that way the student can be able to draw characters much better way. Not only character, the same students whatever he is studying, maybe science or physics, the school subject and all the things, those areas whatever the diagram is involved, he also will draw those things much better than normal students. Yes, lot of science students are studying with me. Okay, if you want to help your child to draw better, you can attend my free demo class. In this demo class, I will be sharing character sketching foundation skills plus character sketching method plus character sketching process. Click the link below and join my free demo class. You can learn this all the 3 topics. Not only that, I am also sharing exactly the same PDF with people whoever is joining on my demo class. Click the link below without waiting. Join the class 5 minutes before with your sketchbook and pencil. I'll see you on the live. Bye bye.